Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 10th of September, 2024, and we are now here to offer an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be seen as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.26. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock faced a loss of 24.42%. This amounts to an average loss of 1.88% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline. The existing 3-month trend implies a possible reduction of approximately 51.58% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between -78.24% and -41.74%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 77.69% over the next year, with anticipated returns between 64.33% and 365.17%. This translates to a price range of approximately $46.59 to $131.88 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for SOXL. The SOXL ETF experienced an increase of 3.35% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024. The price rose from $27.43 to $28.35. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated 8.19%, with a low of $26.24 and a high of $28.39. While the price has experienced some volatility during this period, there has been a loss of 24.14% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, leading to a total of 80 million shares being exchanged, equating to approximately $2.27 billion. It is important to consider that a decline in volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence, possibly serving as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Presently, the price is 59.55%, or $41.73, below the 52-week high, and 92.50%, or $349.89, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $378.24. Recent developments surrounding SOXL, the leveraged exchange-traded fund focused on the semiconductor sector, indicate a turbulent yet potentially recovering trajectory. As of mid-June, SOXL experienced a substantial surge, doubling in value before facing a significant decline of approximately 52% since then. This pullback reflects broader volatility in the technology sector, driven by cooling investor sentiment amid corrections in artificial intelligence stocks involving major players like NVIDIA and AMD. As semiconductor stocks remain aligned with the ongoing artificial intelligence narrative, this sector could regain traction, particularly as investors seek opportunities in undervalued stocks. In the short term, SOXL may benefit from strategic buying, as semiconductor valuations are viewed as cheap following recent downturns. However, caution is warranted due to potential accelerations in market volatility, especially given the recent unwinding of the yen carry trade that exacerbated market fluctuations and led to losses for some investors. Long-term prospects hinge on the sustained strength of semiconductor fundamentals amidst global demand trends, particularly in artificial intelligence applications. If market conditions stabilize and the semiconductor sector shows consistent upward momentum, SOXL may outperform its leveraged expectations, yielding significant returns for risk-tolerant investors. However, close attention to market dynamics and the inherent risks of the exchange-traded fund remains crucial. Thus, while there is potential for recovery, investors should remain vigilant in navigating the nuances of the leveraged exchange-traded fund landscape. The following signals have been identified for the SOXL exchange-traded fund. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. The SOXL ETF currently indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $30.09 and $35.71. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and thus far it has declined by 32.6%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 103 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $27.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.15 between its high and low, which equates to an 8.19% movement. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 9.42%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $29.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $27.89. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss established. Is SOXL ETF a wise investment? Currently, SOXL exhibits multiple negative indicators and is situated within a broad, downward trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we project that SOXL will open lower, declining by 69 cents, starting at $27.66. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.